Hey there, the brand Pawaboo sent these little doggy stairs for us to try, and I'm really excited to try these. I've got 3 little Maltese dogs like this, and they can't jump, so I've got little doggy stairs everywhere. What's really cool about this, it comes just like this right out of the box. So there's no assembly to it needed, and it folds up nicely and easily. All you have to do is open it up, and then you can set it as far as how steep you want it to incline. So the tallest it will go is like that, or you can adjust it as needed if you don't need it to be as tall. And then it comes with non-skid sticky things that you can put on the bottom. The other thing I like about this, it's got little ridges here so that they can get a grip, and this is not slippery. It's almost a rough type material, which is what you want because you don't want them sliding. So let's see if we can get them up here. Come here. Good girl, there you go. Oh, look at them. Good job. Here you go, Lucy. Oh, good girl. You're done. You just fold it up, tuck it underneath a bed, a dresser, a couch, wherever you need it. But I love the size of this because it's not very wide. Lock it here on the side. Makes it really easy. You could travel with this, take it in the car with you, wherever you go. It's not big and bulky at all.